Hello everyone. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. You know the drill. Help me out if you can. This actually turned out to be a pretty good battle. Not a great one, but a pretty damn good one. I did okay. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly right. Akatsuki, Tier 7, Japanese destroyer.
Action stations.
But for me it turned out pretty good. It was a win. Sorry, it was close, but it was a win. So first thing I know I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here on the flank, because cruisers love to hide over in that corner with those islands you can see on the mini map. And lucky for me, the Yorktown is capable of breathing and walking at the same time and using a keyboard. Goes over and spots the area. I know there's going to be somebody hiding there. But of course, the battleship and the cruiser on my side deserve beats right off the bat. Straight out of the gate they leave.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
And that always bums me out, because I know I'm going to get hung out here to dry by myself. But two battleships and a cruiser heading my way, because they know how this map plays out. Fight A and C and let the enemy waste their time on me.
Attention, support that target.
Somebody has a clue. They are going to support me. Alright, pushing up here. Already burning coal. Get me there a little bit faster. Now I gotta watch it coming around this corner here, because this is where you can get your ass kicked real quick. If a cruiser and a destroyer are sitting there together, I'm in trouble. And I let my torpedoes go a little too soon here. Should have waited a moment. Gonna flank off, peel off a little bit and give me some distance. And now I got this whole group of ships coming my way. They're gonna be late to the party. Oh, our team got first blood. Ooh. Same boat as I'm running. He's not paying attention.
Reporting the position of a strategic target.
Oh, he's throwing torps at me, I bet.
Smoke generator started. Engine boost deactivated.
Okay, that worked out better than I thought it would. Watch out for his incoming torpedoes.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Yep, there they are.
Smoke screen set.
Right where they should be.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern.
And I respond with torpedoes of my own, of course, in case he does a 180 and drives back through.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Immediately. He'll give me more trouble than that destroyer. Ooh, he's getting away. My torps ain't gonna catch him. The question is, what do I do? Do I drive forward or I hang a right? If I hang a right, I'll have more support. If I go left, I could outrun him, but I might get pinned against the border too. And I'm going right. Play it a little safe, because that Leander can ruin my day real quick. And that destroyer is bold. Yep, he didn't last long. And our guys down on A are not doing very well. pushed in too close too soon. All my battleships are hiding up against that island. Look at them. Looks like you're having a party over there. And two of them don't have a shot. Can't see on the map that there's nothing close to them.
All
That
stations
guy needs to
reporting the
die.
position of a strategic target.
If he's allowed to live, I'm going to have a real rough time. Behind the enemy smoke screen, so here we go.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Why are they putting depth charge planes out? They ain't gonna do anything. Ooh, yes.
That was a great battle.
Good job, team.
Torpedoes, direct front.
I knew those were coming. Okay, only thing close, really well within view is that Bismarck. I noticed that nobody spotted the carrier yet.
Teammate, I need your support. Teammate, I need your support. Affirmative.
They're scared. They're hiding at the back of the group.
Negative.
Now, off to my right is where some trouble can happen. Let's see what my team does. That Colorado. Then it turns this way. I might get lucky.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
I need to end him first. He's the big threat at the moment. Ooh, and that rock will never be the same. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Almost in range of the Bismarck. Ooh, yes, devastating strike.
Enemy cruiser
And do I
sighted.
get a piece of him? One. That's good enough though. Because this is going to end his day. Oh, I got credit for it.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
Nice work.
Iran. That guy needs to die. He's a problem.
All stations.
Of course, I'm
reporting the
fixated on
position of a
him and
strategic
not watching
target.
the Bismarck in front of me. Thinking he's going to do coward, turn tail, or run. So I throw my torps to the left of him. When he actually goes right. Wow.
Engine boost activated. Smoke generator
Here's my
started.
only real mistake of the game. Ow. Hey, stop putting holes in my boat.
Problem solved, sir. Smoke screen
Okay, I'm
set.
good now. Got a little too close. That guy needs to die. Hang on. Right turn, Clyde. Let's see if my team is paying attention. Of course, my battleships are hiding. Two of them. Ooh, yes, he's gone. Thank God for that one.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
That's my big threat right now, is Bismarck. Moggy's in trouble over there. He's getting pounded. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Do it. Do it. Get him. And there it
Our
goes.
team has taken the lead.
That pretty much sealed their fate right there. But I lost the Bismarck on my team. He was a little too bold. But you can't make an omelet without breaking some eggs. I'm thinking ahead. Where is that aircraft carrier? Where did he go? Last spotted, their battleships are way out of position. Yeah, that Bismarck's done. He's done.
Attention. Reporting a target position. Engine boost deactivated.
There's the aircraft carrier. That's what I'm looking for right now. And that's a tough battleship, man. You don't want to die. And is that it? Yep.
Our team has taken the lead.
And the game is a lock.
Nice work.
As long as my teammates don't do anything stupid. Brandenburg. Gotta stay away from him. And the Scharnhorst 43. Gotta stay away from him. They're going up on the other side of the island, so I'm good.
Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
What are we doing, boys? Pushing up, pushing up. My job is to spot. Primary function in my life is to spot. Leander is being way too courageous. The other cruiser's not supporting him, so that's a problem too. Or is he? Oh no, he's flanking. Brandenburg could shred that Leander if he gets a good shot in. Throw those torpedoes out just in case they push. Maybe I'll get lucky. And that was actually a mistake on my part. I should have saved him. Should have saved him. Okay, where did that aircraft carrier go? You can't be too far. Planes are buzzing overhead. There he is. That's what I want to see.
Smoke generator started.
That poor rock will never be the
Our
same.
team has taken the lead.
I'm too close, I'm too close, I'm too close. Too close. Proximity detected.
Smoke screen set.
Lucky for me is
Engine
guns
boost
aren't
activated.
shredding me. Okay, where are you? Is he moving? Is he staying still? Staying still.
Problem solved, sir.
And bungo, bango, mongo. It's been nice knowing you, buddy. And it, yep, gave one of them. Devastating strike.
Enemy aircraft carrier
Only
destroyed.
missed one. He got bitch slapped. And all that's left is the Scharnhorst 43. So that is a win and a lock. Did pretty good. Not a great battle, but a good one.
Problem solved, sir.
It's one of the better ones I've had lately. I've been getting some terrible, terrible teams lately. Kind of discouraging. And there it is, people. There's the win. What can I say? Sometimes I get lucky. And there's the devastating strike. 5 torpedo hits. Only had 23 hits with my guns, but I didn't use them that much. And not top tier in my team, but all of us did really well. The Kansas, man, that's embarrassing. Those two guys are embarrassing. But I did do better than everybody else on the team, the enemy team. That's good. With 2 kills to my name. I do like a devastating strike. And the battle report Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.